You see, YouTube has a feature that can expose your location. Oh yes, maybe you're not aware, and that's why I'm making this quick video for you to know that YouTube can actually expose your location. Yes, this feature can be found on any video that you actually upload on your YouTube channel. Oh yes, and that's featured places. So it allows automatic places to be actually shown at your description. Oh yes, so sometimes you'd want to actually hide your location for privacy's sake, but YouTube would actually be showing that to you. If you have not turned this setting off in your studio, YouTube will actually show your location in your description section for people to actually get to find out where you are. So straight away, I am going to let you know where and how to turn off the settings for some security reasons. Sometimes you need to hide your location for security reasons and all that, okay? But YouTube would actually be showing that if this setting is not turned down on your studio, if you don't want your location to be seen or to be known by people who are going to watch. Sometimes when you're making a video and then you make mention of certain places or certain locations, yes, automatically YouTube will track it down and then show it at your description area. And one interesting thing is that this one is actually turned on automatically, as ticked automatically, and so you would need to actually turn it off so that your locations wouldn't be actually known by people who are watching you wherever you find yourself across the globe. So this one is seen under any of your videos. So when uploading a video, even those you've already uploaded, you can actually change the settings on those videos. Okay, so when you're uploading the video, you see that down there, just scroll down small, then you're going to see it right here straight away now at your YouTube studio. So what you're going to do over here is that we're quickly going out to where our videos are located. So we click on content, great, and then we wait patiently for it to open. Yes, so now it's opened successfully. Okay, so as said earlier, you can check it out and turn it off when you are uploading a new video, or even those that have been already uploaded. You can still check it out and turn it off over there. So assuming we are using this particular video, actually I just uploaded this video on my YouTube channel. All right, so you click on the title and then it opens successfully for you. Now you scroll down, just be scrolling down to where we have the see more. So you click on the see more because it doesn't show all. That's the show more over here. And now when you click on the show more, that is where it is actually going to show you some other features or some other settings that you need to do over here at your YouTube studio. That's when you're uploading a video. All right, so now here it is, and that is what we actually going to talk about this very time. Yes, so what it says is that the featured places. Oh yeah, so it helps viewers explore key places in your video. Now these are public places like restaurants and shops. Okay, so let's assume you're making a video and then you mention certain localities or certain places that, hey, I am over here, I am at this place, here and there, blah blah blah, and all that. Okay, as soon as the system actually detects that you made mention of some of these places, it will actually show it at your description section. Oh yes, and one surprising thing is that this feature is always turned on. That is, it's ticked automatically for all new uploads. And so to be able to actually do away with that, you would need to actually select it and uncheck that box. So that's it, allow automatic places. So you just uncheck it over here and then you upload your video. If it is a video you've already finished uploading, you can still come over here and then uncheck this box, else your secret locations will actually be shown at your description. Yes, sometimes YouTube actually says that it doesn't show private place and stuff like that. Let's check over here. They have an update over here that we don't display your current location or other private information. All right, so if they don't display your current location or other private information, so how about we help viewers explore key places in your video? You understand? And so it's something that you can do to protect yourself from, YouTube exposing your privacy. And so to cut everything short and to actually save you, you would need to uncheck this particular box always whenever you're uploading a video, to do away with YouTube actually indicating your locations or places where you find yourself or places you do mention in your videos at your description section. And if you're able to do this, it's actually going to help you. And this one, as said earlier, is for those who would want to stay private, who would want their locations to be unknown wherever they find themselves, the places that they actually mention in their videos and stuff, who want those places to be unknown and they want those places to stay private. That is when you can do it over here. So that is it, and that's where I bring today's tutorial to an end. In fact, actually on my channel over here, that's exactly what I do. I actually take you through the tutorials on how to grow your YouTube channel from start till you become successful over here on my platform. And so if you are new, all that I'm saying is that please take time, click on the subscribe button right away. Actually, the family is becoming bigger and bigger and better. Yes, and we're hoping that by the time this year comes to an end, we will be able to get to the 1,000 subscribers threshold. So let's make it happen. Oh yes, and I believe that we can make it happen before the year 2024 actually comes to an end. All right, so thank you very much. And if you have any other questions too, you can drop your questions at the comment section. I'll be available 24/7 as usual to attend to you and to answer all your questions for you. If you also find any challenge in your YouTube journey and your YouTube content creation journey, you don't forget to let me know. Right, I am here for you, and I'll be available, and I'll be happy and willing to assist you 24/7 all the time. So thank you very much, and don't forget to give me a like and share this particular video so a lot of people can actually have access to it. And if you are watching from Facebook, oh yes, please do well to actually follow my page on Facebook. Those of you watching from TikTok, the same Smart over there on TikTok, you can also follow me over there. And on YouTube over here, click on the subscribe button right away. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.